Hello mga plant lovers! Na ako'y kuandre actually type of agave plant and I want to repot this one kasi mas malaki na siya, parang siksikan na siya sa pot. And there are 1, 2, 3 babies. I don't want to separate the babies yet. Ang gusto ko lang ay i-repot siya sa other pot. And of course, I will be using my own potting mix composed of biodegraded rice hull, charcoal, powderized charcoal, pulverized charcoal, and of course, our eggshells donated from Annie's Baked Bites, from Ma'am Annie Quijano of Annie's Baked Bites. Annie's Baked Bites is located at Barangay Dos, Katipunan, Zamboanga del Norte. For birthday cakes and other special occasion cakes, pwede ra mo moadto ka Ma'am Annie. You refer to Ma'am Annie Quijano. And so, since I am through mixing with my potting mix, let's start repotting. Starting with, okay, this one, okay. These mga agaves are not for sale yet, ha. Medyo, medyo may kamahalan kasi ang mga agave. Yeah, medyo mahal-mahal gid ang mga agave. And I bought this from Benguet. Let's see. Ato siyang butangan og a little soil first. All around. And after that, yung mga agave actually medyo matinik sila. Mas matinik pa sila sa akin. Okay. I will be adding an Osmocote, a controlled release fertilizer. It is a 14-14 fertilizer. After that, you now add more soil. Okay. More soil. These are some of my collectibles. Collectibles pa na ako na siya. And I cannot release this one